Hi, this is Miss Tarina, and today I'm going to continue the conversation we had about descriptive language. So last week I posted a video that talked about how to describe a bus ride, which is very broad in general. It was just an introduction. So today I want to get it down to something very specific that we all do as an example to help you in your day-to-day describe things with your child. We are going to talk about cooking. We all cook. And so the next time that you are cooking a meal, let's say cooking dinner, rather than paying such close attention with your eyes, although of course you need to pay attention with your eyes if you're using a knife and cooking, that aside, I want you to also pay very, very close attention to how cooking sounds. Because your child will probably be near you or in the same room, and they may have some vision so they can see a little bit, but what they're getting might just be little snapshots of moments or a blur, or maybe they're watching it but they're not quite understanding what they're seeing. That's where descriptive language comes in. So think about it. When you turn on the oven. Many of us have buttons on our ovens now that go beep, beep, beep as we set the temperature. Let your child know, oh, that's the sound of me turning on the oven. Listen, beep, beep, beep. Oh, I had to push it a few times to get the temperature to go up. It's going to be very warm and hot because I have to put our food in the oven to cook. All right. What else do we have? Say there's a potato. You want to chop up some potatoes. Listen to how it sounds. Something like that. Slice, slice, slice. Describe the sound. What is that sound? I am cutting a potato. In fact, take a step back. Before you cut the potato, show your child the potato. Let them hold it. Feel it, smell it. Really experience the potato. And then you can show them the knife, of course, very, very carefully. You don't want them grabbing the blade, but let them know what you're using. If your child is capable, they can help you chop. If your child is not able to move their arms in that way, they can be close to you and listen. And by paying attention, they are learning about the sounds of each individual slice. And after you've sliced them, show them to your student. See, I chopped the potato. Here's the potato, all in pieces. Let's put them in the pan. Show your child the pan. Maybe you use cooking oil. Show the child the bottle of cooking oil. It's plastic. Let them experience. How does plastic sound if you bang your fingers on it? Plastic. Oh, that sounds different from metal. Here's the plastic bottle. There's oil in it. Listen, shake, 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 shake. There's the sound. Sounds sloshing around a lot in there. We might be getting low on oil. All right, I'm going to pour some oil into the pan. Let's listen for it. Oh, it's very quiet. Okay, the oil's in the pan now. I'm letting the oil warm up. Okay, we're ready. I'm going to put one potato slice in the pan. Listen closely. I'm picking it up and I'm going to put it in the pan. Here we go. Psst, you will then hear like that sizzling sound. Tell your student what that sound is. They may not be close enough or able to see. And probably you don't want them very close to a splattering pan of hot oil. But you can tell them what that sound is. Okay, that was just one potato. I wonder how it sounds if I put a whole handful of potatoes in. Let's listen. Here we go. Tell them, woo, that was a lot louder because there are more potatoes in there. It just takes a lot of practice to think about all the steps you're doing as you're preparing your meal and pay close attention to how it sounds. because that's the main experience that your student will have in the kitchen and will help your child understand what is happening, why it's happening, who is doing it, and where. These are all those little details that descriptive language will help fill in. And we can talk more about this. Making a bed, how does that sound? Go about your daily tasks. Think about it from your child's perspective. When they get their clothes changed, where did the clothes come from? Have they ever explored the drawer where all of their pants are kept? These are all the things you can think about at home and teach your child about where everything is, where it goes, how it sounds, how it feels, how it smells, and how it feels to them on their body. Get in the practice of all your daily activities. Try to think of it as, what is my child experiencing? And eventually it'll get a lot easier and become more natural. You guys are doing a great job. Take care, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye.